We're gonna go through the installation and setup process for Streamfog Virtual Camera on PC. In order to download the Streamfog, go to streamfog.com and just click on download here at the right side, Windows option. I have done the download and installation part already, so I'm just gonna cancel the download. It's just gonna firstly download and install this. Once you have installed the Streamfog, you can launch it from the desktop. At the first time, you'll be asked to create account and log into Streamfog. I have done that part already. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to setup tab. First thing you wanna know here is to set the camera. I have selected integrated camera, that's the default, and you can set the resolution. Also, you can show and hide preview here. Now, once you're here, you have got several tabs. Go to explore. You can browse through wide varieties of filters and lenses. To use this for virtual camera for any app, you're gonna firstly close the app. That means if you want to use the virtual camera for Chrome, you're gonna close the Chrome firstly. Let's close. And you open up the Streamfog and just set it up. Once you've done this, open up Chrome, go to camera settings inside the Chrome. I'm gonna go directly inside the camera settings. Click on the drop down arrow and select Streamfog Virtual Cam. Now you can test this virtual cam. It will work for every sites that use video. Let's test it. I'm gonna go to webcamtest.com and just test it here. It shows your camera used by another application. We're gonna go to Streamfog and just disable this preview and come back to the app or website where you want to use it and just wait for some time, or you can just reload the website. Test. Go to Streamfog back and apply any filter and come back to the app or website, and thus it works. Now if you want to use it on any app besides Chrome, you're gonna go to the camera settings inside the app and set the camera to Streamfog Virtual Cam and it will start working. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.